Welcome to the Utasys demo of RetailLytics. This solution enables demand-driven supply chain concept, manages the bullwhip effect, and answers new age business requirement. What if you wanted to manage the bullwhip effect and implement a demand-driven supply chain? Track real-time location and geospatial coordinates for your high-value and high-margin products. Track real-time demand-supply data and integrate that with machine and unstructured data. Generate real-time monitoring of trends and indicators across the entire supply chain. Predict and generate proactive responses to operational anomalies. Get a comprehensive view of the entire supply chain network. And you wanted to do this using your machine data and combine that with your unstructured and product data. RetailLytics is a business solution enabled by technology in the RetailLytics suite of products. This solution is enabled by latest advancements in sensor technologies, machine data modeling, and Oracle appliances. In the next 10 minutes or so, we'll focus on the sheer power of Internet of Things, Oracle RetailLytics, and Utasys industry solution to resolve one of the biggest problems in the retail industry. To quickly remind you, the baseline dataset has the largest fact table consisting of 75 million rows of data. The second largest fact table consisting of 20 million rows of data. When joined through confirmed dimensions, the resulting data is 700 plus million rows. Let's start the demo by logging into the system. As a business leader, one of the most important things you will be interested in are what are the top level KPIs and their latest numbers for the entire supply chain. Let us take you through one of such high level overviews. The first chart, which we are going to walk through now, provides a walkthrough for all locations for two of the important supply chain parameters, the on-hand stocks and the safety levels. So far, we have not applied any filters as we wanted to show the sheer power of RetailLytics in real time. But kindly note, the same analysis can be restricted for a specific period of time, product line, a state, or even a SKU using the filters available on top of the dashboard. Based on our interactions with several of our supply chain customers and their feedbacks, a GIS-style drill-down visualization of stock levels across all nodes in the supply chain with red, amber, green indications to spot outliers was one of the top priority requirements. This kind of visualization enables a quick assessment of the state of the supply chain for the overall organization. The next analysis provides us a complete overview of the organization's supply chain in a beautiful geospatial chart. The two baseline KPIs which are the foundation of this chart are the on-hand stock and safety levels. I need you to focus on the color and the size of the pies in this geospatial chart. The size is directly proportional to the numbers. Higher the number, bigger the pie. And the color on the chart provides an overview of the situation. Greens are the balanced situations where the on-hand stock is appropriately covered by the safety levels. Yellows are the overstocking situations, whereas reds are the understocking situations. Understocking situations means the on-hand stock is far below than the safety levels, whereas overstocking situation means the on-hand stock is way higher than the safety levels. Let's move to the next level of analysis. We do that by moving to the Focus tab of the dashboard. In this tab, we are primarily going to focus on products which contribute heavily towards the bottom line of the organization. The next chart provides the famous BCG growth share metrics for stocks aging against the safety levels. Stocks aging is a key KPI which provides in detail for how long a product has been lying in the warehouse, while safety level is the buffer stock which can be used to manage demand fluctuations. The chart which we see right now provides the growth share metrics for two key KPIs, the safety levels and the on-hand stock. As the target is to move as many products as possible towards the first quadrant and avoid being anything on the second, third and the fourth quadrant. The next chart which we are going to see now, the growth share blocked inventory chart, provides us two key statistics. We have the on-hand stock and we also have the blocked inventory. This provides us an overall picture of our underlying investments which are not providing us any returns. I would like you to focus on the next chart. One of the most important analysis while optimizing any supply chain is the identification of the products which have the highest margins but are moving slow on the shelf. Several actions can be taken based on the findings, actions such as moving the product from one store to another where the probability of sales are higher. In this chart, we identify one of such products by using the PCG growth share matrix. As we can see, the product Modern Naturally Clean Shampoo 100 milliliters is actually a very high margin product but is having a very low sales velocity. The demo from here onwards will focus on this SKU. The next tab, Assess tab, provides us all the relevant details in the complete supply chain through a geospatial chart for the product Modern Naturally Clean Shampoo 100 milliliter. I need you to focus on the color marking for the states and the pies inside these states. The colors are very meaningful in the geospatial chart. For example, the red color in a particular state means that the demand supply situation in that state is in danger zone. The yellow color means the demand supply situation is in observed zone. The green color means the situation is balanced, while the white color means it is an overstocking situation. If you would like to view further details for one particular store, a regional distribution center, a distribution center, you simply need to hover over the pie. Let me summarize what we have done so far. We started with an overview focused on one of the very high margin products. Assess the overall landscape for this product. We definitely don't want to stop here. Let's take an action and close the loop. In the next tab or the Act tab, RetailLytics based on pre-built business logic generates a priority for each product line based on-hand stock, safety levels and arriving inventory. As we have chosen to be focused on the product Modern Naturally Clean Shampoo, the next analysis shows data for this particular product line only. Taking an action is possible right away from the same analysis, though we will actually take an action in our next analysis, but for the purpose of demonstration we will display it here. For example, from this particular analysis we will order fresh stock for this particular product line. As you can see, the dialog box for the action link opens up, in which the SKU code comes pre-filled in. We just need to type on the quantity and click on the execute button. The next analysis provides us a forward planning scenario for 7 days. This scenario is based on stocks in transit, the on-hand stock and the safety levels. The colors for the rows have a special significance. For example, the blacks highlight that there is a gap situation. As a next step from this analysis, we will focus on an inter-arc inventory transfer for our favorite product line, the Modern Naturally Clean Shampoo 100 milliliters. As we click on the action link for the inter-org inventory transfer, the SKU code comes pre-filled in. We just need to click and fill the from location, the to location, the quantity which needs to be transferred, and click on the execute button. After clicking on the execute button, you will be navigated to Oracle EBS instance and data passed in seamlessly. In a real-time scenario, a web service can be invoked which will complete the inter-org inventory transfer and display the result. Now to quickly summarize today's demo, what we did. We started with an overview for the whole organization. We focused on one of the most critical products which had a very high margin but which had a very low sales velocity. We assessed the overall supply chain for this particular product and identified the problem areas. We took two actions. First, we ordered fresh stock for this particular product, and in the second action, we did an interplant inventory transfer. All of this in real time using a massive amount of data set of 700 million rows. Thank you and have a good day.